During a live talk show appearance, actor Bryan Cranston found himself unexpectedly grappling with a fit of relentless hiccups. What started as a minor interruption soon spiraled into an uncontrollable giggle session, leaving both the host and audience in stitches. Rather than succumbing to embarrassment, Cranston managed to humorously play along, telling anecdotes amidst the hiccups, turning the awkward situation into a viral comedic moment. His genuine charm and ability to embrace the unpredictability of live events shone through, winning over the viewers. This memorable incident reminded fans of Cranston's authentic and unpretentious nature, further solidifying his beloved status in the public eye.